How to make a waffle. To make a waffle, you will need the following ingredients. 1½ cups of all-purpose flour. 2 tablespoons of white sugar. 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. A half teaspoon of salt. 1¼ cups of milk. 2 large eggs. 6 tablespoons of melted butter. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You will also need a waffle iron. Here is a simple recipe for making waffles. First, in a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Second, in a separate mixing bowl, beat the eggs. Add the milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract, and whisk until well combined. Third, pour the wet mixture into the dry mixture and stir until just combined. The batter should be slightly lumpy. Fourth, preheat your waffle iron according to the manufacturer's instructions. Fifth, once the waffle iron is hot, brush the top and bottom surfaces with a little bit of melted butter or oil. Sixth, pour enough batter into the waffle iron to just cover the surface. Close the waffle iron and cook the waffle until it is golden brown and crispy, about 3 to 5 minutes. Repeat the process with the remaining batter. Finally, serve the waffles immediately, with your choice of toppings such as butter, syrup, fruit, or whipped cream. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe Madam English YouTube channel.